Jobless. Real warriors stand tall. Roots heartbeat, listen. Life are the mirror where show your soul. Mindset strong, make the whole man whole. If you think pure life, blessings flowing. Positive vibe, bring the victory win. Now let the darkness lock up your mind. Hold a clean thought, keep the spirit aligned. Jah guide the step them, night or day. Roots meditation, keep the worries away. Have the courage to go on, my friend. Success no final and failure no the end. Lift up your mind and rise again. Carry your love through sunshine and rain. Life reflect the thoughts where you hold. Plant good seeds and blessings unfold. Courage fi stand, courage fi fight. Jah light a shining at the darkest night. When trial come, man have to stay strong. Know every stumble mean you do something wrong. Failure not fatal, just part of the plan. Each lesson build up a wiser man. Keep your faith steady like a mountain rock. Push through the storm, no turn back. Roots and culture flow deep in my vein. Carry on brave, wipe off the pain. Bless up the soul where still hold on. Even when the struggle feel 10 miles long. Just spirit whisper, stand tall, be true. Every little step bring a new breakthrough. Have the courage we go on, my friend. Success no final and failure no the end. Lift up your mind and rise again. Carry your love through sunshine and rain. Life reflect the thoughts where you hold. Plant good seeds and blessings unfold. Courage fi stand, courage fi fight. Jah light a shining at the dark.